She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine. So today we will be seeing Shein haul. So this is the most awaited haul. I've been trying to film, but it took a long time to reach here. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll categorize the things into some categories. First we'll be seeing accessories. So let's get started. In my hand are these scrunchies. Can you look how cute these are? So let me open it for you. So these are the pack of scrunchies. I bought them for 154 rupees, and you can see a lot of colors, and you even have florals. So yeah, these are some scrunchies. And the next one is very exciting thing. This one is for only 99 rupees. You can see how cute these chains are. These are actually called as BFF chains. So this is a lemon. I think these are lemon. One is cut off lemon, and this one is the whole lemon, and you even get a BFF tag somewhere. So yeah, anyways, you will be seeing everything on a try on, so watch out for that. So the next thing which I got is this one. How big this chain is. So this one is a layered chain, and you get two different chains here. This is a set of 3, and I solely bought this for this thought on this. It says dreaming of the sea, and I love it. Also the dollar chain, this one is so good. I hope you can see it. It's a very long chain though. It's so good that you are getting for 154 rupees. You are getting 3 pairs of chains, and one is layered one. I would definitely give a thumbs up for this. So the next one is this one. This one is also hoop earrings. In the accessory section, this is the priciest, and I don't think so it's priciest as well. So you can see how cool these are, especially the holographic one. This one, it has a black sheen to it. This one. So the pearl earrings, and this is a thunder one, and yeah, these are some studs. This costed me 220 rupees, and that time the sale was going on, so I don't think so the prices will be the same. If it varies also, you can check out. I'll link everything in the description box. Also a tip for you, if you are wondering what kind of earrings will suit you or something like that, I would suggest you to go for the hoops or the danglers, because they suit anyone. In my view. So these are the another set of earrings. This one is so good. You have some danglers which are very different in my opinion. See the lock design. These are some hearts, these are some magnets, and you have a lot of studs here. So this costed me some 150 rupees, and it's so cheap and it's so versatile. Like you can wear these for office wear as well. So the next one in the accessories are, I also bought a belt. So this is a belt. I think this is good. This is really thick, and it comes with a different buckle. Can you see? It's so good. It has a very thick material of the leather, and yeah, I think I bought this for 200 rupees, and I think the quality is great. So next comes the home and kitchen section, but in the home and kitchen section also I bought something very interesting, that is these pack of bags. So these pack was for only 180 rupees, and you can use them like one for makeup bag, one for toiletries, one for if you want to keep anything, you can use them for that. It's so good that you are getting so cheap, like 180 rupees you're getting 3. I think you should grab it as soon as possible. So the next thing I got is oil brushes. So not the makeup brushes, these are for if you are preparing some omelette or toasties or something like that, you can definitely use them. So this is the pack of 4 and you get for 105 rupees. I bought for 105 rupees. I don't know if the price is same or not. So the next section is a stationery section. This was a very different because I don't know that Shein had stationery before. So when I saw them, I wanted to grab everything. So this sticker pack has 6 sheets in them. So these are 6 sheets. Another 2 are in the bag. Can you see how good they are? The quality is also very good. I got 6 sheets for 125 rupees. This is a girl made in a Wonder Woman dress, and yeah, it's so cute. If you are into planner or something like that, if you are basically interested in stickers or stationery, I think you can definitely go for these. And the other 2 are here. So yeah, I think this is a great buy. So yeah, the next one is another sticker pack. This comes in a box like this and it costed me 99 rupees. Let's see how the quality is. I haven't like seen them because I wanted to keep them away for 2 days or something like that, you know why. So yeah, oh my god, these are the desert stickers. I was looking for them. I was so excited for them. Oh my god, this is a cupcake. This is a cappuccino with marshmallows. So cute. Anyways, you will be seeing a detailed clip for this. So yeah, this costed me 99 rupees. If you get a chance, I think you should get them as soon as possible. Everything will be linked in the description box. So yeah. The next one is another stickers pack. So this one retail for 154 rupees. I was excited for this because it comes in a stamp kind of a view, and it's like pictures of sceneries. Guys, so cute. The camera is not doing any justice for this. Really, I'm saying it's so cute. If you are into planner or something like that, you'll definitely relate to me. Oh my god, I am using this for my planner for July spread. Can you see that? And it's a decent size. So I think you should get them. I think I'll be getting another pair in this. I don't know. Let's see. If I get, definitely there will be a part 2 of this. So I think we are done with the stationery as well. Let's go to the exciting part of this video, that is outfits. So I got this dress which is in a lilac color. I like lavender color. I was eyeing for a dress in the lilac color. So this one comes with this frills, and it has a tie-up as well, I'll show you in a bit, and it comes with a frilly kind of hands. Can you see? It's so good if you are looking for a dress like this. It can be a very casual and a date look, but it has a con that is it's very transparent in the front and the back. But if you are wearing some nude bra with a nude spaghetti in it, then definitely it'll like you will not have any problem with it. So this is the tie. Anyways, you will be seeing the try on haul here. So the next one is the cheapest clothing item I've ever gotten from Shein. So this is a top. This is a crop top actually, and this is 179 rupees. Yes, 179 rupees. I thought I'll wear it at home, but when I styled it with black skirt and black jeans, I think it's a chic outfit. Just wear it with the studs and a pony and you will like see the difference. I thought that some of the some of the items will be not so good, that I had to return or something like that. But I'll tell you what is the regretful thing I faced in this haul. That is, it took a lot of time to reach me. I do understand that it has to come from the other country and the shipments were not in a good range, but it's fine. I don't know, I'm having a mixed kind of a feelings regarding shopping with Shein again. Definitely it will not be so soon, but yes, I don't know, I'm having a lot of mixed feelings. So yeah, I think I've blabbered enough. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Subscribe to our channel.